Okay, so we've got a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, automatic SUV in a nice silver metallic. Got the reverse camera there. Alloy wheels, tinted windows. The vehicle presents in excellent condition. It's got a good set of tyres. Only travelled 71,000 kilometres too. We'll take a look at the interior. So we've got 2 keys, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there, 71,000 kilometres. It's got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which will give you all your apps, climate air conditioning, automatic transmission, a little command centre there in the middle. Interior seat trim, it's all in excellent condition. Front passenger also looking good. Does have the side curtain airbags. There's your back seat, pretty much like brand new. And I'll just show you inside the boot. A good sized boot. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.